morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the MiBro Air. As we promised, we are on our second part of the MiBro Air review. The first time, we have the unboxing and checking out its specifications. Okay, so this second video will be all about installing the smartwatch, checking its features, and connecting it to our smartphone. Okay, so let's start. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. And another one, if you want to buy, okay, or get a MiBro Air, check out the links below. It is a legit links for the MiBro Air, okay, smartwatch. They are trusted sellers. So, and of course, you're pretty sure that you're going to buy a new, at the same time, original MiBro Air smartwatch. We have at the bottom below, we have below the legit links. Okay, so check it out. Then this is the MiBro Air with a TFT LCD screen, 1.28 inch display with a full touch. Again, before we install, let's have again a closer look at this MiBro Air smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Let's remove this sticker here. So we have here a full screen. As I can see here, the black bezel, very slim, 1.28 inch TFT LCD. Let's turn it on. Long press for the power button here. Okay, we have here the MiBro. Please scan the code to download the MiBro Fit app. So it is looking for the app. So instead of searching or using a QR code, as you can see here, we also have the QR code here in the support app, on the support manual, I mean. Here we have here the QR code. Let's search the Google Play MiBro Fit. So we have here the MiBro Fit. So let's search and install it without using the QR code. But if you don't know the app, you can use the QR code scanner and scan the code here. So MiBro Fit. Let's check MiBro Fit Smart Bracelet application. I guess this is the app for that. Let's see, and let's check and install. Okay, so very lightweight, 19 MB only. Okay, already downloaded with a pending installation. Again, the app is available in iOS and Android platform. Okay, so what are the details here? MiBro Fit bracelet application, SMS, sleep reminders, version 1.1. Okay, that's it. It's opening now. While we are waiting, let's open the Bluetooth function here. Okay, open. Agree. So privacy policy. Open MiBro Fit. Unleash the energy of your whole body. Wear it with your health. Okay, log in. So again, let's check if we can skip the registration. So we have here the Open MiBro Fit. Let's go for the jump over here. So skip login. Skipping login causes some functions of the web not to work properly. Is it skip? Okay, let's just try. So it is asking for permissions. Allow MiBro Fit to access photo apps, media files. Okay, allow MiBro Fit to make and manage phone calls. MiBro Fit to access your phone logs. Again, if you want more details or more functions, I guess, and to save your data when you are having some exercises, I advise you to log in and register the app. So this time it's just a demo, so we'll just skip it. Allow MiBro Fit to access your contacts. Allow MiBro Fit to send and view SMS messages. So enable self-starting permissions, background power consumption, turn on message notifications. So this one, you just check the notifications access. MiBro Fit, let's look for the app. So permissions allowed. Okay, let's go back. I have turned on. We'll see if it's going to work. So we have here the layout here. Okay, the UI. So we have heart rate, sleep, weight, sport, fatigue, and effectivity. We're going to check on more on this support app when we successfully connect it with our smartwatch. Okay, so add device here. Again, the procedure is go to the bottom part here, the me. Okay, let's see, go here, then and here the personal center, just check add device. So it's still asking for the registration. Okay, click to log in. I guess really have to register. Okay, I thought we can add the smartwatch without registration, so there's no option here. We don't have a choice but to register. Okay, so wait. Okay, so the application process for the app, okay, signing up is a bit what do you call this one, very long or very comprehensive, I think, very secured. So it is asking for a verification code for the captcha. You have to sign up. Okay, you need an email, so it is not a direct application or sign up. Okay, you still have to use an email address to sign up and store your data thing. Okay, so it's somewhat, there are several steps, in other words, for signing up. So we're done with that. This time let's install the support app. Let's install the smartwatch to the support app. So we have here the add device, just tap on it. Okay, so let's see. So it is searching. We have here the MiBro Air. So okay, let's see if it's pairing. Okay, so we have successfully paired it with our smartwatch. So there's a new version update, so we'll cancel it for the meantime, and let's check it later on. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the menus of the MiBro Air. As you can see, we have the process and installing the support app in our smartphone in the Android platform. So this time we're going to check the menus here. Very sharp display here, slim bezel, crisp graphics here. Okay, take a look, take a closer look. Very nice. Even the viewing angle is very good. Okay, very sharp. So about the menu, let's tab. So scrolling from up to down, we have the settings here. We have the battery, we have the power off button here. Okay, we'll see. How about this one? Brightness control. So this is the home button also. Okay, so we have here the activity tracking from scrolling from left to right. We have the activity tracking, okay, from up to down. So I guess this is for your message notifications, and the menus from left to right. Wow, beautiful menu here, easy to access. Okay, rotating menu. Okay, let's go first for this watch face. I guess just like other smartwatches, long press on the watch face. So we have at least several watch faces here. Okay, let's have a closer look here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, custom watch face page. Okay, we have at least 3 watch faces and more available watch faces, I think, in the support app. Okay, let's check out the menus of the smartwatch. So we have do not disturb, stopwatch, sleep report, message notifications, data, sport. Okay, I'm interested on the sport. So we have very nice graphics again. Outdoor running. Okay, treadmill, walking, football, badminton, tennis, cycling, trekking, basketball, elliptical machine. We also have yoga and a free training. This is for the weights, I think. Okay, what else do we have here? We also have a weather report, sleep monitoring, find phone, and we also have the heart rate. Okay, so it is measuring. Let's check. Let's see. Okay, very fast measuring, very beautiful animation. We'll see if it can render results in less than a minute. So we have here the result. Okay, so far it looks nice. Okay, you also have the graphs here inside the smartwatch. For the settings, let's check. Okay, what's that? Okay, also have a Bluetooth music control, raise to wake, pairing phone, restart. Let's see for the off time. So let's have a much longer screen timeout. Let's make it 35 seconds. Okay, and we'll go to the sport again. Let's check if what are the details or the stats that the smartwatch is trying to check. So we have here the distance, again timer and the time and the calorie, I think. Okay, so far it looks good, it looks nice. Okay, very professional UI. Okay, I love the graphics. Okay, very responsive menus and with a slight vibration here. Okay, what else? So let's check the weather. Okay, so it's still looking for the weather, I think. What else? I guess it is in the support app. So we have here the music control also. Okay, the stopwatch and the sleep do not disturb mode. So far we have a very beautiful UI for the MiBro Air. Simple but very functional. Okay, easy to use, easy to navigate. As you can see, there are no lag. At the same time, the graphics are very good. And it has almost all the features, basic features for the sport smartwatch. Easy to install, just a long process for the sign up and registration, but it's easy to install and it has a dedicated support app. Okay, so that is very good. I think we have here the goal setting here. Okay, we have the physiological period. This is for women. Health report with the stats and the data here. And what else? So we have here the watch face, the dial market. As expected, we have several watch faces here. Let's see this one. Download. We'll see if how long will it take to install. Installing. We'll see. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see here, disconnected, and the watch face or the watch smartwatch is downloading the app or the watch face. Okay, so let's wait. So we have here at least 1 2 3. Okay, reconnect. Okay, so it's ready, connected here, successfully pairing and installation of a watch face. Okay, so what else do we have here? So we have an option here for the 12-hour time or the 24-hour time. Device version update, let's check. So currently the latest version is 2.1. We'll see for the update if we are going to have a update for the support app. So no update. Guess there's no version here. We'll see. So we also have a screensaver here. And I did not expect that the smartwatch supports screensaver. So select the background. So we'll see. Okay, so you can choose your own background, your own picture here. It's a very great option. Let's see. Okay, background. So there's a lot of options here. Turn on. So auto start. So it will have a stable connection. Okay, so we'll have a late. We have a. We'll check later on that. Okay, sports record here. Okay, and what else? Weight, heart rate, and we have. I guess we have a connected GPS, and we'll show this one will show a map when we connect it to our smartwatch. Okay, so it doesn't have a built-in GPS, but it supports connected GPS. Again, that's your MiBro Air smartwatch. We'll have more on its functions as we test this smartwatch. Okay, we're going to show you some features that are added to the Smart MiBro Air. We'll check also the installation of the support app for iOS platform with the MiBro Air app, and we'll see if it's flawlessly installed. Let's see if there are some issues with the smartwatch. But so far, thumbs up for the MiBro Air smartwatch. Very affordable, and with a lot of options, a lot of features for a very affordable price. Check out the links below. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.